You guys, I'm so bummed out. Today I was supposed to have my appointment to get my permanent veneers put in. I legit woke up on time, almost there when my car started tripping out on me. And it was freaking out, telling me to turn my car off. So I turned my car off. Thankfully my husband wasn't too far. But even with him being close by, it was gonna take me at least 1 to 2 more hours. So we had to go ahead and move my appointment for 2 more weeks, you guys. So instead of getting my veneers put in before Christmas, and I have to wait till after New Year's. So I'm so bummed out because that's what I was gonna do today. I'm cooking right now. I'm making steak, asparagus, and pesto pasta that the kids requested. They love pesto. Hubby as well wanted steak, and for some reason he was craving asparagus, which I thought was funny because he doesn't really eat veggies like that. But he has his funny moments where he's like, I want some veggies, and I find it so funny. But yeah, I did make that today. I'm only gonna eat the asparagus and the steak. I don't eat pasta. But yeah, that's how my morning is going. Like my husband said, we need to look at it on a positive side, and and whatever happens for a reason. So let me bring you guys to the kitchen with me. Asparagus is already done. All I did was add butter and garlic pepper salt. And then I did already do the pesto pasta. I'm using the Good and Gather pesto from Target. We've never tried it. I normally like the Costco one, but I haven't gone to Costco in a good minute, so I hope they like this one. This was the pesto that I used. It looks pretty dang good to me. I really like the ingredients, so that's why I grabbed it. So let you guys know later on how my family liked it. I did get another jar because I do like putting these in like sandwiches or like chicken. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how we like this brand. But if anything, the Costco one, that one's really good. I ended up finishing the dishes. We ended up having dinner. So I obviously didn't film none of that. But I'm going to clean my room because you guys see all that clothes back there piling up. So I'm going to put all this away. I have to separate clothes that I haven't filmed yet. But real quick, I realized that I didn't show you guys a full unboxing of the package that I got from Metamorphosis. I love this brand. She is a Latina owned makeup company. I love her. I love a lot of her products too, to be honest. So I want to show you some of the goodies that I got. First things first is we have, what is this? This is a concealer brush and it looks pretty fluffy. Let's open it. I believe her makeup line is based on animals, which I really love because, ooh, it's a nice fluffy brush. Perfect for concealer. It's the perfect size. Next thing is, what is this? I believe this is a mascara. Let's see. Oh, it is. I think it is a mascara. Oh, it is. Ooh, the wand looks nice. She sent me a mascara. Next thing, ooh, this is the, oh, I've been wanting to try this. I've seen her new foundation brush. It is huge. It is fluffy. Big version of the concealer brush that she sent. Look at that. That thing is huge. And it's like packed on. She sent me over a lip plumper. I normally don't really wear lip plumpers. The color looks super cute. It's like a transparent red. Super cute. She did send over some scissors and tweezers, of course, pink. We can never have too many. Next thing we got is the Nana powder. I'm guessing it's a banana powder. It's so cute. It's a little changuita. Oh, this is a Nana loose setting powder in the color pudding. A loose face powder that instantly mattifies and flawlessly sets makeup smooth and velvety finish. Set or bake without flashback. Ooh. Packaging is always so cute. I have the lavender one and I do really like it. It's a square packaging with your big old fluff. Oh, it's not a banana powder. I thought it was. It's like a white. Next thing we have is a eyelash curler. Oh, it's like a cute soft cream pink. Eyelash curler. We can never have too many. Then she sent me, this is what? These are like some eyeliner brushes. I don't know why I feel tired. I think because I've been sleeping late and waking up very early. So I feel like I haven't had a good rest. Yeah, so these are like eyeliner brushes. Look at how gorgeous. Super cute. Then we have a sharpener for like lip liner, eyeliner. Ooh, and it's pink. It's pretty cute. I love it. You get both sizes. Last but not least, we have, these are matte and metallic eyeliner palette. Oh, okay, that's what the brushes were for. It's like a color block. This one is in the shade Ruby. So you can use this as eyeliner, and that's what the brushes are for. Can't wait to play with that. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. This one is in the color Amethyst. I hope I said that right. So you do get a mix of matte and metallic shades. This is nice. I cannot wait to try it. That's what it looks like. The colors, look, should I swatch it? Oh my, this was one pass, you guys. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That's actually smart because you get a couple of colors and then obviously it's eyeliner, so you're gonna stay in a straight line. This is smart. I don't think I've seen anything like this. Maybe there is. I honestly just haven't seen it. And this one is in the color Emerald. Obsessed. Super, super cute. Shout out to Metamorphosis. Thank you so much, girly. I appreciate all your products. I do truly love a lot of your products too. If you know, you know I'm always using it and tagging it on TikTok. So I can't wait to try these out. I need to do more makeup videos here on YouTube because honestly I feel like I do most on TikTok. But if you guys don't know, I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I do know a thing or two. I did learn. I've always been a makeup lover, but I honestly did learn a couple of things from beauty school. You know, we obviously learned the basic, but we did get a couple of good demos by makeup artists. So yeah, I feel like I did learn a lot. You know, there is no right or wrong when it comes to makeup, but I did learn a lot of good techniques and tips from school, from beauty school. So would love to share that. I think I did already show you guys that the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. I got this one. I haven't tried it yet. This one is in the shade 240 light medium warm. I hope it matches me. I also got a package from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Homegirl has been hooking it up. She's been having really great deals on TikTok Shop. They did launch there. So it looks like she sent me over serum blurring blushes. Ooh, colors are gorgeous. Colors are right up my alley. I got the color peach, hibiscus, plum, baby pink, and guava. Next thing we got is soft rose. These are the stick blushes. I do already have these, so I'm not gonna open them. These are they're blush sticks. This is in the color soft rose and pink dahlia. I am gonna give this away. I actually do love their blushes. I love a lot of Anastasia products, to be honest. If you know, you know. They are the OGs in the makeup game. So they know what they're doing already. They are in Ulta, Sephora, now on TikTok Shop. And then they did send me 3 of their blush trios. I have the colors Berry Adore, Peachy Love, and Pool Party. But yeah, let's get to cleaning because I have a mess. I have a mess, and if I don't get it done, it's just gonna pile up. So cute is this coat. I never wear big old fluffy coats like this, so I love that I'm trying to step out my comfort zone with like a lot of the items that they send me. I get a lot of questions on the clothing that I wear. A lot of it is from the TikTok Shop. I know a lot of people don't like shopping from there. That's why I don't really promote it like on IG and YouTube. But if you don't follow me already on TikTok, go follow me. 9 times out of 10, the outfit I'm wearing is linked in a video. Or you can always search my showcase. You can search up like the item and the outfit should pop up. This one I got it there. I got so many questions on this brown set. I did get it on TikTok. So cute. Fun fact, I actually don't drink. I don't like alcohol. I don't like to drink. I don't like the feeling. So yeah, very rarely you'll see me drunk. And if you do, you have to be like really close family because you're not about to see me wilding out.